Every great creation begins with a spark that transforms raw steel into engineered strength, a spark that powers not just machines but the imagination of what's possible. At Metalman Auto, fabrication is not just a process, it is our identity. For over 4 decades, we have mastered the art of shaping steel, from intricate components to heavy assemblies, from two-wheelers to large-scale fabrications. Metalman is driving growth. Our expertise defines the backbone of mobility and engineering. But mastery evolves. Today, fabrication is reborn with intelligence. Machine learns, data predicts, AI guides every detail with unmatched precision. From digital twins to predictive maintenance, from real-time analytics to automated inspections. Technology is the new muscle of fabrication. Because in fabrication, trust is earned only through proof. Every weld scanned, every tolerance measured, every standard raised higher than before. Metalman Auto doesn't just meet benchmarks, we redefine them. From the heart of India, our precision powers progress across continents. Scale, speed and consistency. Trusted by the world's leading automotive and engineering giants. Yet, technology alone is not the future. It is people, engineers, innovators, craftsmen whose ideas are amplified by AI, whose passion is multiplied by automation. Together, they don't just fabricate components, they are building the future of fabrication itself. What began with a single spark became mastery. Mastery evolved into trust. Trust evolves into intelligence. From street to smart systems, from the first factory to tomorrow's AI-driven plants, Metalman Auto is not following the future. We are fabricating it.
I am Metalman.
मी आहे मेटलमन.
నేను మెటల్ మ్యాన్.
मैं हूँ मेटलमैन।